Y'all hear that? Nothing. That means I've got a little time to start baking. Welcome back to Faithful Treats, where we bake custom cakes with unwavering faith. This was a last-minute cake order. With my mini baker on my hip, we got straight to work. Where there's a whisk, there's a way. I baked, cooled, and decorated this entire quarter sheet cake from start to finish. No shortcuts, just a whole lot of faith and frosting.
Can you imagine being lit up by some hot shells? Imagine being tossed around and put in jail. Imagine life you can't get from under. Imagine niggas at you when you done for. Remember how they asked you what you run for and treat you like a bitch when they kick you in your dick and take your shit. Be acting like they hate to see you gun ho. But just imagine if the rabbit got the gun no. But you already know. Imagine niggas in the LBC felt just like Snoop Dogg and DRE and felt just like the niggas in the 213.
Here's the final look. Simple, clean, and made with love under pressure. God always finds a way to give me just enough time to get it done.